So hey guys, here we are and welcome back to my channel. Guys, today we will learn to grow cucumber plant from seed. First of all, we need a seed which is easily available in the market. I recommend you to use at least 2 seeds at a same place. It helps plant to climb up. Guys, it's rainy season and growing vegetable in this season is really challenging, and I think challenges should be accepted. Guys, if you have any question about gardening, then please use comment section and like, share and subscribe if you love this videos. Till the time, stay healthy, stay safe.